Well, morning everyone. Not so nice today, a bit grey and cloudy, and there's a bit of a wind up, but we'll make a bit of progress. I came in yesterday just for 10 minutes and I glued up all round the edge of the panel. I'll turn it around and show you. So, all glued in. I've just got to go around and tidy up the edges. I've just done this bit along here. Go around and tidy up the edges with a razor blade, and then my aluminium trim's arrived, which is just supposedly a 20mm. That looks a little bit small, and that's going to go. It's very hard to bend in a 5-foot length, so that's basically going to go along there and hide the joint all the way along. So what I've got to do is go around, clean it all up, get the excess glue off, and then stick the trim on. Before I do that, what I'm going to do is mark the windows and cut the window holes. This is nice and solid now, much better than the plastic. I'm a lot more impressed with it. Should have done it in the first place, but I was trying to use the plastic I already had in stock. So we'll mark the windows up and go from there. Okay, so that's the holes cut, and they're in the right place as well, which is quite pleasing. I've just DA'd around the edge of the window to remove any little sharp bits and key the aluminium up, and I've put a coat of X primer on just to protect the aluminium, and also won't leave me with a hard edge when I start spraying the van. So I'm going to let it dry off for half an hour while I have a bit of lunch, and then we can put the windows back in, make it weather tight. That's the windows back in. That was just to hold it while I screwed it in. So they're back in now, much more pleased with that. Now I'm going to clean off and DA all the way around the edge, and then start fitting the new aluminium trims. Right, so that's the end result for today. Got the windows in, and I DA'd and X-primed around the windows before I put them in, and I've stuck on the top trim and the bottom one and the back one. I've still got the front edge to do, this one here. I'll do that one tomorrow, but that's it. Trims went on quite nicely. They're all glued into place with Tiger Seal, so tomorrow they should be rock solid, and I can peel all the masking tape off. To get them nice and straight, I used a long piece of top hat aluminium I had, which doesn't bend, and put that underneath them to make sure they were dead straight when they were up there. So quite pleased with it now. All it needs is this side now is the front trim, and then DAing off and painting. So get in there. That's the end of today's one. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and tick subscribe if you want to see it finished. Thank you. Bye.